Hello, welcome to Booked Up English. My name is Susan. What's your name? Say hello in the comments. Today, we will talk about packing for our vacation. Let's go. We will speak using present simple tense. Let's pack the suitcase and go to the sea. A toothbrush. I pack a toothbrush. What do you pack? I pack a toothbrush. Toothpaste. I pack toothpaste. What do you pack? I pack toothpaste. Soap. I pack soap. What do you pack? I pack soap. A brush. I pack a brush. What do you pack? I pack a brush. A swimsuit. I pack a swimsuit. What do you pack? I pack a swimsuit. What do you pack for the sea? I pack a toothbrush, toothpaste, soap, a brush, a swimsuit. Send a video or audio PM and tell me what you pack for your vacation. Thanks for learning today. Tomorrow, we will review what we have learned. Grab the free download to get ready for tomorrow. See you soon.